Hello student, today we are going to start for class 7 subject maths lecture number 7 chapter 2 rational number exercise 2.3. The question number 1 is Sati takes 1 upon 2 hours to reach his school from home and his sister takes 90 minutes to reach school from home. Now tell who took more time to reach school. What is given there? Time taken by Satish to reach his school 1/2 hour. This one is mixed fraction form, and you know how to change mixed improper form. This one multiply with this one, then add with this one. It means 2 ones are 2 plus 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3. It means 3/2 hours. This one is 3/2 hour and time taken by his sister 90 minutes. Let's check this one hour and this one minutes. Hour change into minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 3/2 hours is equal to 3/2 into 60 minutes. If not given any denominator, write there 1. Table of 2, 30 times possible. 3 3 is 9 and 3 30 is 90 minutes. It means Satish take 3/2 hour. Then convert this one is 90 minutes. It means we can write 3/2 hours is equal to 90 minutes. Therefore, both, then the question is not tell who took more time to reach. There both are taken equal. Therefore, both are taken equal. Yes, same time. To reach school. This one is our answer. Question number 2. This one. Ritesh go to the market by walk after going 9/2 kilometers in east direction. He remains cross his destination. Then he turns back and walk 1/2 kilometers in west direction. By representing on number line and tell the distance between his current position and home. Let Ritesh start walking from 0. After walking 9/2 kilometers, he reached waypoint P. He came 1/2 kilometers from P to point Q. Now let's see this one. So number line. So this written 9/2. This one is improper fraction form. The first convert into proper mixed fraction form. 2 4s are 8 minus 1. It means this one right. 4 whole 1/2. 4 whole 1/2. Start from 0 to 2 equal parts. How many times? 4 times. More than 4 times. This one is more than 4 times. So first 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, then 5 time. It means this one is 1/2, 2/2. Can I write 2/2 1? Yes. Then 3/2, then 4/2, 5/2, 6/2, 7/2, 8/2, 9/2, 10/2. 10/2 can I write 5, 8/2 4, 3 and this one 2. Okay. Then he come back 1/2 kilometers. So 1/2 means one part just back. This one 9/2 is P point. Start from 0 to P, 9/2 kilometers. Then just back 8 upon 2 kilometer. He come 1 upon 2 kilometer from P to point Q. This one is point Q. It means 8 upon 2. 8 upon 2 can write 4 kilometer. Yes or no? Yes, 8 upon it 4 kilometer. This direction is east direction. Remember. Hence, Ritesh is at a distance of O to Q. 8 upon 2 is equal to 4 kilometer from his house. This one is our answer. Then continuously question number 3. Saurabh traveled 9 upon 3 kilometer by bus. After that 2 upon 3 kilometer by walk to reach his school home from school. What is the total distance of school and home? Show it on number line. They are given distance covered by Saurabh. Total distance covered by Saurabh 9 upon 3 kilometer by bus and 2 upon 3 kilometer on foot. It means both are same direction. 9 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 11 kilometer. 11 upon 3 kilometer. Let's see there in there shown number line. This one is 9 upon 3 first. This one is possible 3 kilometer 3 steps. It means 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see homework question. The different types of question. First read, then after solve. Ramesh takes 2 upon 2 whole 1 upon 3 hours to reach his school from home, and his sister takes 140 minutes to reach school from home. Now tell who took more time to reach school. Second question, Radhika eats 2 whole 1 upon 2 chapatis in dinner and his sister Geetika eats 10 upon 4 chapatis. Tell us whether they both eat equal chapatis. This one first convert simplest form, remember all of you. Question number 3, Rahul go to the garden by walk after going 7 upon 3 kilometer in east direction. He remains cross his destination, then he turns back and walk 1 upon 3 kilometer in west direction. By representing on number line, tell the distance between his correct position and home. Last number question, Mohan traveled 8 upon 4 kilometer by car. After that 3 upon 4 kilometer by walk to reach his home from school. What is the total distance of school and home? Show it on number line. This one is homework question. Okay student, goodbye.